a fresh, nice homemade crust with a lot of butter and shortening. I mix both. I use like a butter flavored Crisco along with cubes of butter, and it all has to be cold and don't overwork it. That's your key, is that nice flaky crust. You get it, let it rest, and then just slice your apples. Granny Smiths are typically the ones done for that, but Honeycrisp, there's a few other apples out there that really go well in an apple pie. They hold up really well. So do a variety of apples. I like leaving the skin on an apple pie. After I slice them, I coat them with some lime juice or lemon juice to keep them from turning brown. And I just take some brown sugar, some butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, melt it, combine it, and then pour it on top of the apples, mix them, and then pour them into the crust, and then roll your top crust up over the top of it. You pinch your edges to seal it, and then get a knife and just make a little designs as vent holes. You can do whatever. You just put the regular holes, or you can design leaves. You can do drawings on the top of it and then brush it with egg wash.